good afternoon, and welcome to another episode of You Are Gifted. Remember that God has given each and every one of us a gift. But in the process of using that gift, in the process of developing that gift, in the process of becoming who God created you to become, you are going to experience some ups and downs. Not all the times things are going to go according to your plan. That does not mean that they are not going according to God's plan. So stay firm. Remember the tennis ball. Be like a tennis ball. The harder it falls, the higher it goes. The louder and the harder they hit it, the louder the sound. The more failures you experience, the more of your success we want to see. So don't give up irrespective of what life throws at you, because God has got your back, because you are gifted. Guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nakia McInnis. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget to check out my book, My True Inspirational Story, A Sister's Pain by Nakia McInnis. This book will transform the life of anyone, whether successful or aiming for success. This book is a life-transforming book. It's a detailed account of my true story. It will make you cry. It will make you laugh. It will make you act. It will make you think twice, but it will definitely change your life. It is on Amazon, A Sister's Pain by Nakia McInnis. Thank you.